Hey everyone, this is Coffee Chug, and now we are going to take a look at the second project. So in the first project, if you haven't watched that, please go back and do so. In that project, we looked at the wiring of the Raspberry Pi. We connected with female and male leads to our breadboard to power an LED light just to create a circuit. Nothing too major, just learning kind of the GPIO pin systems and things of that nature. Now we're going to get into some programming, and the very first program is really simple. I'm just going to program using Scratch here, as you can see on the screen. I know it's a little hard to read, using the broadcast option, which is a new feature in the Scratch, which is going to allow us to turn the light on and off. And so what we have here in this is we're using, obviously, in our program here, our control. We're going to slide over the when clicked. And then we're going to use this broadcast. And what the broadcast allows us to do is allows us to communicate and control the pulses, basically, into the LED lights. And so we're going to choose that broadcast. And when we go to do this, you're going to create GPIO server on. It's already in there. You type that in. All right, and we're going to add another broadcast, and we're going to turn that off by broadcast, and we'll config 24 out. And so config 24 out corresponds to our GPIO pins on here. And so our wires are on the 24th pin, so it communicates with that. When that happens, we're then going to put our when statements in. So right here, when a key is pressed is what we're going to look for. So when we drag this over, you can pick any key option you want. And so I've just picked O over here. So when O is pressed, all right, we're just going to make this a forever loop at this point, and we're going to add the broadcast in, and we're going to turn that GPIO pin on. What that's going to do, it's going to turn the LED light on for us. And then we want to be able to turn it off. So we'll do the same kind of pattern here. When a key is pressed, all right, let's just mix these up. Let's go A, and then here we'll go B. We'll go add our forever loop, another broadcast, and we're gonna, oops, didn't want to do that there. Get the broadcast on the inside, and we're gonna turn the GPIO pin off. And this is gonna turn that off, so we'll go A and B. So now, when we do this and click, all right, and I got the green light on here. You can look here on the key, and I'll try to see this here. So when the O is on, it's on, and P, there we go. Okay.